Good day everyone, especially to you sir. So my topic for today is all about the me self and the I self. My learning about the me self and I self is that I believe that the self is divided into two parts. That is the me self and I self. I agree that the I self is a thinking self because this self is what I know that I describe myself to others. For example, my English teacher in senior high school asked me why I wanted to be a future flight attendant. Actually, during my senior high school, my strand is gas. Therefore, I replied, to be an flight attendant, you have to be a risk taker. And I personally know that I am a risk taker because I believe it is better to try than to lose the opportunity I have. From there, I describe myself for what I know who I am that others may can see or they not can see. On the other hand, the me self is what I develop as I met people in my life or some situations developed me that myself is who I am today. I believe that without the true and ideal me, I will not be possible. I have to balance the real me and the person I wanted to be in order to be happy because if not, it can lead to loneliness, depression, anxiety. I am happy and cheerful person, but at the same time, I wanted to get a good grade or be an academic scholar. I have to learn a lot to achieve this goal. I would be happy if I did, but when I know that I am not who I am so happy because I pushed too hard and if I don't, it can lead to loneliness on my course. Unpacking the self sounds good in theory, but speaking for myself, I sincerely believe if I choose to do that, I need first to do it with myself. I don't necessarily know or understand what all may be in there. Discovering our true selves in every situations and comprehending the underlying variables that influence ourselves is a crucial lesson to acquire. One may be able to articulate himself quickly based on his social and cultural roots, but seeing oneself at a glance is insufficient because the self is complicated and of itself. To see the self clearly, one must gradually unpack or unfold even the tiniest bit of his entire existence, starting from his origins and include both internal and external influences, our physical self or our self as influenced by our bodies. It emphasizes the influence of culture on body image and self-esteem. Different cultures value different aspects of beauty, such as skin tone, hair color, height, physical size, or being fair, thin, with light eyes, sharp nose, and so on. Despite the fact that different countries have varying standard of beauty, we all share one thing in common, and that is we recognize the actual value of beauty. That would be all, and I thank you.